Hey guys, welcome to a rainy day bike ride. So today we're gonna be riding our bikes in the rain. We're gonna be doing wheelies, riding around, talking, and yeah, just ride your bikes with us in the rain. Come on, let's have a fun Sunday.
Yep.
Your bike feels smoother now that it's wet. Yeah, I told you you're gonna have to go in the grass. Hey guys. I feel like I'm gonna slip. Like when I'm turning, it feel like I'm about to slip.
Look at me, bro. Look how wet I am.
See, it's so slippery in the grass.
Exactly. My hair not wet. Kendall, he got rid of his waves.
You said what?
You got rid of your waves. And I see people in the comments asking for more basketball.
It's only you in the comments.
I see people in the comments asking for more basketball. No, this is a person named C-Tez Gaming God. I don't know who that is. C-Tez Gaming God, I don't know who that is. They got Tez in it though. C-Tez Gaming God. I have no idea who that is. But C-Tez Gaming God. I'm shouting you out. You were asking for another horse video. It's coming your way. We just gotta wait, but it's coming. Like, we couldn't do it today. We did it last week, but we just didn't want to record it because it was all that nonsense drama. We didn't do it this week because I wasn't here yesterday, but we had a little food out every Sunday, so we come here every Sunday. Sometimes Saturday, but not Sunday. And
just say family dinner. What you talking
yeah,
about?
like
some
a family
food out?
dinner on Sunday. And
How you gonna say a food out?
and it was raining today, so we couldn't do it today.
It was. It is. Talking about something. It was. It is raining right now.
Get back into biking. Freak.
This hoodie's real good in the rain.
My hoodie is a rain jacket.
Yeah, you got a raincoat, but it looks horrible. My hoodie's doing the work. And it's keeping me warm. Except for my face.
Let's do this.
Do what?
Cause yours is dry. Mine is prepared to be wet. Yours is not prepared to be wet. That's actually not for rain. It's for like when it's cold.
It's cold outside, isn't it?
Yeah, but not for rain though. I got my rain
It
jacket.
still do the same thing. Protect me from the rain. Look at it, it's covering up my
I
face.
got my rainy. Let me put my hood on before I get a cold.
You can't even hit the motorcycle things because it's getting wet.
What the freak?
Didn't you notice that?
Hold on.
You can't hear it because it's wet. Like our motorcycle things, that's the number one. Hold on.
What the?
You see our bikes, you guys? Like, it's not making the motorcycle noise of the pedals we put in. Like, you can hear it a little bit, but once it get real wet, like, you can't hear it for real.
True. Man, we should have set it right here because this is the non-spot we barely go.
Say what?
Non-spot we barely go. Let's put it somewhere else. The camera somewhere else.
You getting it all wet. Don't put the phone like
Look
that.
at it.
All right, don't touch it. Your hands are wet.
Yeah. What about right here? Oh, we can push it right there. You trying to push it right there?
Let me see. Watch out. Because I'm not trying to have you lean over and drop my phone in the wet dirt and stuff.
We gonna post this video today, right?
Right.
Huh?
All right, guys.
We gonna post this video today.
Yeah, shut up. I really hope I don't got no hole in my front tire. Because my front tire getting flat real quick. Like every time I come, I gotta pump it up. But that's probably, dang, look at him, he just crashed. Y'all couldn't see that, but he just crashed.
Yeah, if the camera was still there, I would probably knock it down.
Yeah, good thing we moved it. Or that would have been your like I almost felt right there. Like I leaned over too far to fall. I was about to fall. Look at it. Look, you doing something.
Hey, the only reason I'm doing this because I'm not using my brakes.
Look at this. Look at me. Watch this. I gotta keep putting my foot out every time I swing. That's tight.
Because your brakes is not working. Look.
I don't got foot brakes.
Oh yeah. I got one foot brake and one handle brake. Kendall. What
Hey.
the? You just messing up and going to win.
It feel like I go a lot faster if I don't use my brakes. Well, of course.
Exactly.
Of course, sometimes I use my brakes. But like if I don't use them while I'm turning and stuff, I feel like I turn a lot faster.
Free.
That was real stupid.
Free.
Let me try with.
And we got a new subscriber. We got 11 subscribers now. Shout out to you, new subscriber.
Huh?
Now I'm shouting out the new subscriber.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
we got
made it to 10 subscribers already, you guys. There's 9 more subscribers and we reached 20. Let's get to 20, y'all. Let's see if we can do it. All the views we be getting, if you're watching our videos, make sure you're liking, commenting, and subscribing.
We got 64 views.
Yeah, we can have 64 subscribers. So please, you guys, make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on bell notifications to get notified every time we drop a bang.
Kendall, come here. Kendall.
Yeah.
That's a really good It's because they like it.
I know. Like, every vlog on the YouTube channel, mostly people subscribe to them because they look cute.
True. Ah!
Like some people. Oh! Oh, he just crashed. Look at him. That's the second time I ain't crashed not once.
I messed up the chair.
Yeah, when you first crashed into the wall, you messed up the chair. Now you crashed into it twice. Don't crash into me now. I'm getting back on my bike.
I already crashed into you once. Ah! What the?
Oh, come on, you fat bird.
Oh! What
Look at your ankles.
Ow! Kendall, what you crazy?
That was his fault. That was your
I
fault.
love to say something to the camera.
Don't say nothing. Keep driving. Keep driving.
I keep driving.
Please don't.
Ping!
Come on, Brian. Your back tire needs some air. A little bit. Come on. Uh-oh.
You need it?
You said what?
You need it?
Yeah,
Bro, I'm parking right here.
why didn't you tell me? You know bikes don't got brake lights, you know.
What don't feel it? He's being hard.
Yeah, but all you imagine if I'm just pressing on it with my fingers. Your whole body weight, imagine your whole body weight pressing down on the tire. It's flat. Look at it. Look at it while you drive.
No, I'm going to crash.
Like, go slow. And you was looking up and you crashed into the chairs. Wow. He is a goofball.
What the heck?
You good?
What the? Bro, what you doing?
Hey, watch what you're trying.
Kendall, you remember I first looked at the YouTube channel and it said no cursing, no violation, no harm, no sexual offense. Remember it said that, Kendall?
I think so.
And then look, my second video, it didn't say no curse. Cause remember?
Hey, somebody thing ripped off that motorcycle.
Probably yours. Yeah, that's yours.
Look at yours.
That's definitely not mine. That's yours. Yeah, look at the back of your tire. One is Rick.
Yeah. Yeah, it's mine.
You remember Eric was going on?
Yeah, that idiot. And then you talking about some, it sounds more like a motorcycle. The more paper you got in it, the more sound like a motorcycle. The less it sounds like it. Come on now.
Like
Use your brain.
If you get 0 paper, then that's gonna sound like a motorcycle. But
If you got more paper, it's gonna sound like it.
exactly.
So the less it sounds like a motorcycle. The more it sounds like it. Come on now, use
I'm
your
not
brain.
Kendall. So yeah, me and Kendall, we about to do a quick race real quick. Meet me up right here. They need to see more.
Yeah, but if we want them to see more, they're gonna get wet. And we don't want them to get wet. Why would you move it? It was
They
fine
can't
the
get
way-
wet. The camera get wet.
Just imagine if they was here, you don't.
Come on, we're about to race. 10 laps.
Yeah, you finna get busted. Come on.
3,
Let's go on my dominant.
2, 1, go. I'm beating you. And you gotta go through the whole thing.
Well, how am I supposed to get past you?
2 laps. We can get past them, but we can't go across the whole street, see? Like past that leaf right there. Let's start over. What the heck, bro? I'm suing you. What the heck, bro?
I'm winning.
No, I said start over.
What? What happened to your tire?
Bro, look. What the heck, yo?
Ain't nothing wrong with your tire. Don't bring my phone out here to show something that's fake. And I'm a lot ahead of you, so I'll give you some time to catch up.
No, I said, because you remember, I said I just made a new rule.
What?
I said,
Yeah, I noticed it.
then I said, all right, let's start over.
Yeah, that leaf right there?
Yeah, then I said, let's start over.
I got it.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'll let it go.
No, what? You gotta cross that line.
I did cross the line. Oh, yeah, I
3,
beat you.
2.
Look. Yeah, I'm buzzing. Yeah. What's this for? This for right here. You feel it? Yes. No. Oh my god.
You can't get in front of me. That was a freaker.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
What the?
Look at it. Made it crash. Oh, what? You cheated. You didn't go past the line. And you ran over the leaf. Look at him. Cheating. Oh, almost crashed. I'm a lot ahead of you. Oh, yeah, it's 2 more laps. Oh!
We're about to be on the same lap now. Same lap.
I got 1 more lap. You got another one.
Yeah.
And I win. Let's go. You getting ready to make our... Oh, you fat donut. You gonna make our tires come off.
How long is the video? 14 minutes.
Huh?
14 minutes.
Thanks, guys, for enjoying our video. And please tune in next time on another bike ride. And probably the next video will be a horse video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.
Peace.